Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany. For those of you who don't know, I'm glad you guys are back. I'm gonna go ahead and do a look today. It is going to feature none other than the Natasha Denona Tropic palette. I'm gonna get a little bit into the formula. There's been a lot of claims that the formula is a little different from the other palettes. I do own one other palette from Natasha Denona, and that's the Sunset palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fill out for them and see if there's a big difference. I did touch them recently, and I don't know, I don't feel like it's that bad. If you guys can see that, that's a beautiful palette. So beautiful. But I'm gonna go ahead and I don't know, I feel like the shadows are creamy, which who doesn't like that? The blue one does feel a little rough to the touch, but I don't know, I don't feel like they lack. Let's see, me swatching them real quick. This is the color payoff from all of them, which I'm kind of digging, and it really doesn't leave much on my hand. So like I said, it doesn't leave much behind in the hand, but the pigment does seem good. I'm going to go ahead and dig into some of the glitter ones in the Natasha Denona Sunset palette, see how that feels. Give me a second, guys. And if you guys haven't seen the palette yet, I know most of us have because the prices are $130 for these. So I hope you've seen it. But this is the Sunset palette. It is a warm tone palette. I don't know, because look at this gold one right here on my finger. It kind of, you have to blow out the excess. So I love this palette no matter what. You guys can see the pigments there. That's amazing. I don't feel a real difference. I feel like the Sunset palette, the shadows were a little much looser on the pan, whereas on the Tropic palette it feels more packed in, if anybody understands what I'm trying to say. So we're going to get into a tutorial with that. I'm also going to test out some products I recently got, especially this e.l.f. for liner. I'm gonna see if it's a great substitute for having to put tape there. It is $2 for a 40 pack, which is a great price. We'll see. Also, the Natasha Denona Tropic palette does retail for $129. There's been a lot of buzz behind this, so everybody's a little upset because why would you charge the same price for less? Apparently she tried to explain. It really doesn't bother me, but I do understand why other people are getting upset. It is starting to feel like a lot of companies are starting to get away with putting less in the pan but still selling at the same price. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took out the line and define eye tape. This is how it looks in the packaging. I'm going to go ahead and take one out. Start putting it in my eyes. These are, well, I learned a trick recently. You want to line it towards... you want to line it with your brows and just bring it down to look even. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put the second one off camera. You guys see, I think this is a little ridiculously long. A waste of your money as well. Not the tape itself. I feel like the better way to go about this is cut this in half and put it on the other eye, because this is too long, so it becomes like a waste. Technically, it's technically tape. I'm going to go ahead and take my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm going to put that all over the lid. I should have done this before I put the tape. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay. And the tape is not that sticky. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but like, I can't keep stopping to fix this. So that's kind of a little annoying right there. I mean, I get the reasoning why it might not be that sticky, and that's probably because sometimes if you have makeup on, you don't want to leave that tape. Look, but it is what it is. Okay guys, so let's dig in. I'm gonna go ahead and take Pastel Melon and put that all over the lid. And I'm digging this mirror part of it, like, oh, Look at that. Look at that. Sorry guys, I shifted you guys out of focus. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the color Peach Puff. It's more of a light pinkish. I'm gonna start that all over the crease. Every has a transition color. I like that color. I ain't even gonna sit here and act like I don't, because I do. Alright. Now I'm going to go into Sangria right here. And I'm going to put that right below that color. And start blending that in. I like that. Okay. So now we're going to pick up this look a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and take Laguna down here. Right here, this baby blue color. And I'm going to put that right in the outer corner and the inner corner. And see how that works out. I am over this right now. All you have to do is sit there and stick. I think this thing is too long and it's like not making it work right now. Alright, with my finger I'm gonna go into Limoncello. You know what? We're gonna test this color out to its true color. We're gonna see what we can do with this. We're gonna see what we can do with this. Give me a second, guys. So I did go grab my Vintage Cosmetics Step 1 for the money brush. It's a flat brush. You can go ahead and put that on the lid. I bought my Fizz Plus just in case. I want to see if this pigment picks up on the brush, because that is important, you know. And like I said, I'm going into Limoncello. So right now you can see that it is picking up. Let me zoom you guys in a little. Give me a second. Right here. And let's zoom in more. So if you guys can see, that's kind of picking up. It's not picking up where it's going ba-boom, which I'm not liking, but it's like glitter. No, I did not want to use concealer first because sometimes it just takes too much time and I'm not going for it. So now you see how that looks. It looks pretty, but I want more. So let's see how it goes with the Fix Plus. And then on this side, I'm going to try with my eye and see what's our best bet. Okay, guys. Okay. Then let's pick that up. See how that'll work. See what happens. There it goes. That looks beautiful. I like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and go back into that blue and blend it in a little. And I know everybody wants to see the dark blues and stuff like that, but everybody's creating a look on that, so I don't want to go there right now. So, sorry, not sorry. And I'm loving that this blue's blending in. It's not giving me too much of a hard time blending and stuff like that. Look at that color. Now we are going to go ahead and use liner to see how much this mess here works. Give me a second, guys. So for liner, I'm going to go in with my EM Cosmetics. Does this tell you which one? The Illustrator eyeliner. Good. I'm scared I'm going to mess up my look. This is so messed up. Okay guys, I'm gonna zoom you guys out so you can see more of my face, because I want to this is not holding on too tight, so I don't feel like, oh, there we go. Now I'm gonna take this off to see what happened. No. This is not helping. I hate how it looks. I'm gonna go get a Q-tip and I'm gonna try to make this work. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like this tutorial I created with none other Natasha Denona Tropic palette. Sorry, I'm gibbering off my words. Anyways, I really dig this palette. Do I think it's worth the money? It's up to you. Honestly, if you're willing to take a little bit of less product for the same price, that is up to you. I don't feel like you run through the shadows that quick anyways. I like the color combination. I love how this look came out. Like, I'm digging it. I feel like it's a little different from what everybody has been doing. It seems like I forgot to put my liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you like videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yes, I went for simple lips because I don't want to take away from the eyes. And this is the Tarte lip paint in Bestie. Really like this. It doesn't dry the lips too much, and you can still maneuver it around. So if you guys like this look, like I said, give it a thumbs up and I will be more than happy to make more videos like this. And thank you guys for sticking around and watching this video. Have a great day.